Come test drive the 2017 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, leather upholstery, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.